So in the previous chapter, we discussed how to use a certain style of an image. Now we're going to talk about how to use a certain character from an image. Let's say I create a character. I create a 3D animated cat. So now I have the cat that I created, and I want to use her in different settings or different scenarios. What I do here is called character reference. First, I'm going to add my image to the prompt bar. Then I will hover my mouse and choose the character icon. Now I can put the same character that I have in different settings. So let's say I want to see this cat riding a boat. And I will type in cat riding a boat. When I do that, Midjourney will create an image of this specific cat riding a boat. These are the results that I got when I used my cat as a character reference with that prompt. For comparison, this is what it would look like if I didn't use this character reference. Now, one cool thing I could do is I can mix character reference and style references. So if I want to use this specific character of the cat, then I can add it as a character reference by, again, adding it to my prompt and clicking on the character icon. And let's say I want to use this image as a style reference. So I'm going to use style. And I'm going to type in my prompt, cat riding a boat. So now we combined the character that I had, which was the cat, with the style reference of the house in the forest that we had to get these results. Now, character references can also work on more photorealistic images. But before we do that, I want to go again over the different ways that you can add an image to your prompt bar and that you can use the character of the style of that image. First of all, you could either upload an image by clicking on the upload button over here, and then uploading the desired image, and then clicking on one of the different icons. Or if the image is already on Midjourney, either in your own create page or in the explore page, you could go to that image and then you could either hover your mouse and click on use image as a prompt. Now it's added up in my prompt bar and you can click on one of the icons, or you can open the image in the lightbox and then click on use image or use style. Clicking on style over here is the same as putting the image in your prompt bar and then choosing the attach icon. So back to the character reference. I had created this Frida-like model, and now I want to see her in a cafe sipping coffee. I'm going to add this image to my imagine bar or to my prompt bar, and then I'm going to click on the character reference icon, and I'm going to type in lady sipping coffee in a cafe. And now I have this character in a cafe sipping coffee. Now that we saw how to use the style of a certain image and the character in a certain image, we're going to look at how to use the whole of an image in a prompt.